not bad.
All right. Whoa.
What?
Is that a Mercedes?
In the sand?
In the sand.
What? No way. I think it's just a hoop there.
Did they put the whole thing in the sand? I'm so confused. No!
What are you doing with your car?
Oh, okay.
Come on!
You could resell it? I don't know. Why are you doing that, buddy?
But at least it was perfectly.
Yeah, it was the right shape.
Yeah,
Nice.
well.
Okay, we got... I hope that was his car.
Yeah, I hope
All right,
so.
we're doing silicone. That means we're making a mold?
I think.
I would assume
hope.
so.
I don't know why, but
For some reason, it feels illegal to make a mold of another brand. I'm not sure.
I think it's
legal, probably, though. Yeah,
you
it's
can,
alright.
You can play with it.
It just feels wrong. It's like currency, how you can't, like, make fake currency. It's like making fake brands, sort of thing. But I guess it's not that way.
It's just how you can make better
Okay.
something.
Modify.
Modify.
Car
right.
upgrades.
This is the word. Uh-huh.
All right, it looks pretty. You messed up there.
Yeah.
Hopefully you can wipe that away.
My first idea was that maybe they can add some lights there,
Ooh,
some
yeah, LEDs. Yeah,
that
that'd be
would
cool.
nice. So, but we'll see.
It looks kind of cool.
Some person.
All right, some tape around it.
Oh!
What did you say?
That's
it.
There we go. They
See?
listen to us. Yeah.
Great minds think alike. Exactly. Well, not exactly, but yeah.
Yeah, kinda. Nah.
We watch their stuff. Not at all, actually, but we watch their stuff.
Yeah. Excuse me?
Is that a unicorn car? What is happening?
Oh boy. Actually, you could left it like so.
Behold my unicar!
Yeah.
I don't know what they're doing.
Me neither.
I hope they make it a unicar. That would be awesome.
I think just to get the shade.
Okay.
I don't know. For another mold. What is this?
I don't know. That is a weird
What?
looking gadget thing.
What was that?
I don't even know. They didn't even show us. What is it? I have so many questions.
Come on.
So little answers. 5 Minute Crafts, please.
Yeah. And guys, if you know it,
Please let us know. What the heck?
was it pencil or what?
Maybe a battery or something? Oh, no, that's the battery.
It's
Money?
money.
What are you doing? What? I'm so confused.
Whoa! Now you got it.
But what if your car overheats and the money sets on fire?
That's true.
Or the plastic melts into the money?
Or somebody
It looks
coincident
cool.
touch it and it will be open.
Yeah, anybody has access to this. There's no lock or anything.
But
It looks cool.
sick.
It looks cool.
Kinda. But I think, on the edges.
Yeah, they could have done a little bit more to detail it. It's nice though. A flame underneath.
I don't know. I think with an egg it could work. But-
This is cool. To find the exact middle point, you use a ball.
But if you
I don't know.
okay.
Maybe. All right, so we're drilling through the tire. That seems a little counterproductive, but I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. What is?
Going on is what you want to ask, right?
That is what I want to ask. It's cool how we finish each other's
Words, phrases.
sandwiches. Come on.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right. What? This just doesn't look like a very good tire. It looks like a painful tire.
But
It's not gonna be very smooth. It's gonna be pretty bumpy when you're driving.
I agree.
Do you think they're gonna use it as an actual tire, or
I
in
think
another
so.
way?
It looks like they're gonna use it as an actual tire. But the point, where exactly? I'm confused.
All right, so now that's a safety hazard probably. Pretty sure that's supposed to be used by the firemen.
So,
What are we doing?
You want to put it inside to protect the, the rubber thing.
Yeah.
Which will be,
Okay.
and no way. How you gonna drive it?
Oh my gosh, he's putting it on a motorcycle.
At least it looks dangerous, right?
It looks cool,
Yeah.
but also impractical. That looks like what the biker guys should be riding around, you know? Like, they pretend that they're all into spikes and stuff, but if you were really into spikes and stuff, they would be on your wheels. Alright, so it's like for winter.
For winter.
Harley Davidson riding for winter. Alright.
Okay.
Is that a Mercedes?
In the sand?
In the sand.
What? No way. I think it's just a hook there.
Did they put the whole thing in the sand? I'm so confused. Are they just... Because they didn't just find that. Did they?
It can be true. It can be true. Is it true? I think it's not true.
I don't know. It's like when Iron Man escaped from his prison, he like flew through the sky and landed in the thing, and his suit broke into the sand. Right? So someone flew their Mercedes away from a prison into the sand.
Yeah.
That's what happened. That's it.
No,
Now we understand at least. Yeah. Mercedes.
Yeah.
Oh no. I parked my Mercedes in the wrong place. All right. So we have piece of glass. What are we doing with piece of glass?
Wow. Okay.
That wasn't a nice clean break, but all right. I'm worried about his hands. He should be wearing some protection.
But any guesses?
Oh
boy.
Yeah, no.
Be careful. Is it the? It's the plug, right? Spark plug.
A spark plug?
What he used to cut it?
It looks like just a normal cutter.
No, it was a spark plug.
Okay.
The broken one, because there is a ceramic which you can use it, you know.
Okay, cool. What, is he making a mosaic? What is he doing here? Reflection panel?
I think so.
But to get a suntan. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. But I think to...
Is this like how to make a solar panel?
Adjust it for some... Oh, to fire it up.
Whoa!
Okay.
That's crazy.
Wow.
That looks really cool. Okay. I want to try that.
It could work, actually, yeah. Maybe we need to try it.
I think we definitely need to try it.
Yeah. Well.
Not too bad. All right, a fiery death machine. Easy.
Oh, if you gonna cook something on it?
Ah, maybe.
Is it possible?
Ooh. I think so. Maybe eggs? We're doing eggs? Yeah, we're doing eggs.
Whoa. Oh my god.
Excuse me!
Excuse me, it was...
Wow! Wow, and a whole thing of... Oh, a snake steak.
Nah, I can't believe it. We need to try.
We definitely need to try to cook with this.
But it looks
We have to wait for the dead of summer to get the maximum heat on this thing.
Wow.
Very cool.
I'm actually, surprised that... But still have doubts.
Did your girlfriend not call you back? What's happening? What's the reason for this?
Why?
Somebody's upset. Alright, so he's taking off the wheel. Ooh.
Painting job.
Why are you oiling it?
Oh, okay. I know this.
Ah, for a nice little effect. Okay. Alright. It looks like a CSGO gun skin, where you can unlock different skins for your gun.
Yeah. I see what you mean.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah. It could be Airless wheel.
Airless wheel.
Yeah.
Wireless wheel.
Airless.
Probably airless, yeah.
Yeah. With a lot of wires.
With many wires, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're making an airless wheel. Little cut.
Would you change your wheels on such a...
For airless wheels?
Yeah. But I mean, not this one, but the fabric one. Did you saw...
Fabric one? Yeah.
No, the fabric. I mean, the actual real ones.
Yes, yeah. Stable though.
This one, yeah. So, it's just a bolt there. Wow.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. I get the concept. I get why, it's like a tank basically. It has like a similar thing, but they have metal, and this is plastic. And plastic with the weight of a car is gonna break. I guess it's a temporary fix if you're in a
depends
situation that you don't have a tire, probably.
Yeah, and to drive the car very slow, I guess.
Yeah.
It's not for the fast driving, right?
No.
And I guess it's hard to align it as well.
Yes. That would be a pain.
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe we.
Well, it looks somewhat functional.
Okay.
All right, let's see it drive. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
and it
yeah,
broke.
that whole thing just broke. Yeah. All right. Well.